open this real quick. Let's do it with magic. Again. Okay, it's here now. How to open this?
Wow, yan laman. Show mo. One. Say something.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wow.
Okay. Am I gonna eat this all? No.
Isa lang. One lang.
What?
One lang.
Okay. I wanna taste this because I already taste this lemon.
How?
Kuya Jaden gave me it. It's so sour, but I don't know where to open this.
Careful baka magkalat yung powder. Open mo. Wait lang, baka sumabog. Lalabs open mo nga itong kabila.
Hi guys! Again, we posted. Did you see my last post? The post I did last week. Taste this. There's no powder.
Ayan naman na. Yan. Saka may dip. Oh, di ba?
Yeah.
That's how it is. What's
How
the
does it
taste?
taste? So sour?
Yes. It's good. Blueberry. Let's purple or the sourness. The sourness.
Kakapi-kapi. Kakapi-kapi. Kakapi-kapi.
Kasi beef yung binili natin ng gabigan.
Saan yun?
Gabigan pa.
The sourness is so good.
Ngayon na ba?
Actually, I only have 58 seconds to record.
The next video, I'm gonna try this one.
Yes, I'm gonna try the strawberry one. So the
On your
base
next video. And then the red one, the
cherry flavor.
cherry one.
I cannot bite this.
You can buy.
The name of this is called Candy Dip if you want to try it. And then we can bite this at end.
Before I sing this one, please do follow my socials, Spotify, YouTube, kaya mag-video ang lalo sa kailangan sa kailangan. Mamaya 6 p.m. Title dito pa rin. Then, Instagram, underscore kayo yung video, Facebook, kaya mag-video ang Matanas. Next week ko na sa Tempo sa 6 hours. And prior to before, 25 up here in South Mall. Ayan, thank you so much. Thank you so much again for having me. And please begin my original song.
Okay lang ha.
And sige mo pa rin yan
The sourness is gone.
Ano?
Almost the sourness is gone.
The sourness is gone.
Dumating na yung question na. Nagkasama sila sa
Sa Chico daw.
Santulan.
Alam mo Chico?
Hindi, pero alam ko lang na Santulan. Ikaw wala alam.
Kasama na.
Sige, bye-bye.
Break the candy. Break the candy of candy corner.
That's good. The sourness. It's a 9.
Tell your viewers.
Guys, this is a 9 out of 10, right? But this is a candy corner. This is upside down. Because this is a mirror.
Can you taste it?
Yep. You taste this before?
How many minutes?
7 minutes.
Okay. Na parang there's almost
It's so peaceful.
Bye-bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Bye.